Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of TRONIC Battery Tester. This is an LCD display and volt scale battery tester that can help you avoiding wasting your good batteries. Now this is a really low cost product, but it seems to be really handy with these measuring range of volts. Now you can measure AA, AAA, C, D and 9 volt batteries with this one. We have a lot of types that we are supporting. Here TRONIC, which is nice, plus it includes a battery. So let's open this box and check closely this battery tester, and we'll try and test it out ourselves with a good battery once we've opened this clumsy box. So okay, I'll have to rip it apart to open this one, or I can just remove this seal just like that. So here we have the manual. You can just have a look around of the product's manual with all the important information of using this battery tester and all the important informations in various languages. So take a look at that, and let's check now the product. Now this is a really handy little device that you can say it's actually portable. Now okay, we have to rip apart the cardboard here just to remove this plastic cover and get to the product again. Okay, here we have it. Now as I said, this is a really portable one. You can see it here. We have the measurement, we have all the important information in the back. Now removing this plastic cover just to activate the battery in the back, and this is the one end, the negative one, and the positive one is on top, so we can clamp the battery and test it. And here at the bottom we can test the 9 volt batteries. Now this is really handy, and this is the easiest test of all. You just place the 9 volt battery here, and just any other type of battery will be clamped on the top of it. So we can just test this AAA battery. Here we can place it on the negative point, and this is the positive. And okay, we have to place it right. And here we have the fully charged indication. That's great. You can just place it again and again. You can just see it. It's working just fine. Now let's check how you replace the battery included. So we can open it here, and here we have the battery that is included. This is the free one, fully charged, and we just have to remove it and replace it with a new one. You see the irony here, you just have to use another battery to test the bad one. Anyway, so we'll just place the battery again back to its compartment like that, and we close it with a lid, something like that, and we are ready to go. This is it. And last but not least, we also have a reset button here on the back of the device. We can press it with a pin, and this is the TRONIC battery tester display. You can see the volts on both sides, and the lowest end is the empty one. Overall, a great product that I could recommend. So this was the unboxing. Give us a like, subscribe, comment in the section below, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.